Hey you, and welcome to this video where we'll help you out how to delete your Google account permanently. And this is quite simple. So first of all, you need to log into your Google account, and after that click right in the top and go to manage your Google account. Then from here you have here the search bar, and the most easy way to do this is search for delete Google account. Then wait for a few seconds, and here it says delete your Google account, data and privacy. Then from here we can download our data before deleting our account. Now you can do that if you want to use it again when you create one. But you need to be sure that when you delete this account, there is no way back. All your data, all your information is gone. So let's see. If we go down, you see here everything that will delete it. Your Google Payment Center, AdSense, Gmail, brand account, YouTube, calendar, Chrome OS devices, contacts, and Google Play apps and digital content. But if you want to delete this, then click all these two options, and after that click on delete account, and then your account will get deleted. I don't want to delete my account because I'm using this Google account for photos and a lot more. So I don't click on this, but if you want to delete this, please click on this. Alright, this is exactly how this works. And if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.